Welcome to WiggleSticks TV. In this episode of WiggleSticks TV, we're going to fit a GSX-R 1000 K1 front end to our 96 SRAD frame. We're going to do a little bit of soda blasting, and yeah, should be a fun little episode. So thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please click that like button and feel free to subscribe if you like what we're up to. It's progressing along fairly quickly now, but I'm sure we'll hit a few roadblocks sometime in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and here we go. Just temporarily installed, just as we'll fit the forks and stuff at some point, but I had those kicking around and thought they'd probably be better in the frame rather than just sitting around on the ground. So yeah. For special deliveries today. First one all the way from the USA. Opening him up. New old stock Vortex top yoke. In this particular episode, we're going to fit a K1 front end to the SRAD. A couple of problems with using the triple from the SRAD is the center to center difference is slightly different. It's like 7mm different, which only became apparent after I got the top yoke part of it on here. So the forks, the diameter and everything is the same. It's just the difference between the center to center. And then the other secondary thing is the bump stops for where it hits the frame is also an issue. So the ones which you'll see a little bit later from the K1 GSX-R 1000 had to be modified, will have to be modified so that it stops the forks hitting the frame. Yeah, but as you can see from the diagram, it's in the pieces in pink. It's yeah, 7mm different, and all the other measurements and stuff line up. So small problem really, but yeah, we'll fix it. So we're about to clean up this K1 front triple clamp that we got from the wreckers the other day. It's, as you can see, someone's trying to spray paint the hell out of it. I gave it a quick sand last night, which started to get the stuff off, but came up okay. But I think we're going to try sandblasting it, soda blasting it now to see how that comes up, because the inside of the frame that we did the other day came up quite well. So here's the before, and then we'll see how it comes up. So we learned a couple of things from last time. Is that I'm going to crank up the mask this time. There we go. So first pass, you can see she's come up pretty bloody good. Just ran out of baking soda slightly, but small problems. It's pretty good. We'll get the rest of that with another blast. Managed to clean up the K1 triple. Came up really nice just with some soda blasting. Obviously we need to fix the bump stop on there, whereas this one you can see the difference. It's not going to hit on there, so a little bit of welding and stuff will be needed to fix that. It should be a relatively straightforward process, I think. But yeah, I'm super happy with how this came out. All the red paint and stuff is gone. Bolts came up with this cool titanium-y sort of galvanizing finish. Yeah, so it's getting there.